got it.
Was he a pothead?
Yeah.
Well, how do you make them?
You have to, well, for you, actually your hair is like about long enough. You have to go, you get this stuff, it's called, it's like a dread wax. Yeah, it's kind of like a dread wax. And so like you take pieces of your hair and you have to basically like mat them. You have to like do this and like do this and put the wax in them. And you have to put rubber bands in them at first so that they stay. And then you can't wash your hair for like, I don't know, a couple months.
I mean, but once you get them, like, wash your hair.
Most people with dreads don't wash their hair all but maybe like a couple times a month. And you use like a special shampoo that like, you just kind of like put it in so it kind of like obviously kills anything that's really like dirty. But most of your dreads are like dead hair anyway. Like most dread, like if you take a dread, right, half of that dread isn't even attached to your head. The hair's fallen out and it's just been batted up in the, yeah. So at first it's really hard because you have to take care of them for the first like 2 or 3 weeks. Like you have to really keep them tight and keep them like, especially like with your, you know.
But you don't only get it, like, not in high school, but college or something.
Yeah, that was dry.
Yeah, I imagine Hay with dreads.
But then like, yeah, you have to give it like a good month before it actually on its own will dread. Do you know what I mean? Like in the beginning you literally every day have to put wax in it and put stuff in it and like mat it up and keep them dreaded. And then like after the first month, then they kind of do it on their own. And you only wash your hair like once or twice a month.
Is there like ideas that you can use hair to smell?
Not like person. But you know what I mean? Like people think, do you smell? Like in our society, like you have to smell like fruity or perfumey.
You know, if you have dreads and your hair goes
But like
back,
a normal person, if you're with a person, then you smell like people. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's like your own smell. Like your hair at the end of the day smells a certain way, right? You don't put shampoo in it. It doesn't stink. It just smells like you. I don't think that's bad smelling. I guess it could be bad if you're a really stinky person. I don't know. Stinky, but maybe don't do it. I don't know what happens to you. I don't know any stinky people. I only know normal people. His are crazy long. He's had to have those for forever. At first, they're like really, really like short and just sit and like. They look really stupid for like the first month. Like you have to be willing to accept the fact that for a month your hair is going to look really stupid. Because they don't want it. Your hair doesn't want to hold it, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, dreads are cool if you can. But once the first month's over, then it's like the easiest hair care in the world. You never wash your hair, you never fix your hair.
So like, when you take a shower, you like, it's not
No, you can get it wet. You just don't wash.
dry.
It dries still. It's good. Same way when you get out of the shower, I dry. You can do that with dreads. They're not going to come out. Once you have them set, they do fall off sometimes.
you have to beat your hair.
They do. You have a big dead one?
You just walk in and it falls off?
Seriously. I have more than one friend with dreads. Like, I know different people with dreads. The only reason I know how to start them is because I dated a guy who actually, when I first started dating him, started dreads. So that's like I know the process. But I know tons of people. You can literally lose a dread. I mean, think about it. Your hair falls out all the time, right? Your hair's falling out all the time, but it's matted. It's just falling, you know what I mean? And you grow new hair, but a lot of the dead hair is stuck in there because it's not like Will I? No. I'm not, I don't know how to do it. You can go get it done too, like at a hair salon. You pay them like I don't know how much it costs, but you can go get them dreaded for you.
I thought you were twirl it.
Yeah, you do. You twirl, but and it also depends on the kind of hair you have. Like my hair is really, you know, thin and like my hair takes forever. But certain people's hair is more easier to dread. Depends on the type of hair you have. Do it, Al. Do it. In your ear, dread. Come on.
I want to see him, but I don't want to realize pictures. Look at the idiot.
Okay, you take your senior pictures.
Exactly, but then
You
what
take
about...
them in what? Like before school? Yeah. No,
What do you want to do with prom?
What about prom?
the prom can shave off my mom.
Yeah, but then they're going to go back.
He wants to have his earmark. I think you do it after all your pictures.
I say do it. I mean, take your senior picture. You don't want a senior picture with dreads, because then it won't be you, you know what I mean? But every other, who cares? Then you could be like, looking back like, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah,
I decided to do dreads
in
in
college, no one
my
really cares. It's just like college.
Well, people care in high school. Oh my God.
That,
No, it's just like,
No one cares in college. Whatever you want to do, Adam. Go against the norm. Just because people care, show them that you don't. Show them you're way more mature.
yeah.
You can see it and like think about it. You, Mr. Peltier, got your picture in the yearbook. Two white guys on the red.
you can be even blacker.
I'm black and shit.
Are you?
I'm black and
Name one thing black about you.
everything.
He's like, what's black mean? I don't know.
You know how to get typing?
That means you're black?
So go try to whip cream.
What's that?
Go try to whip.
I don't know why it's so peaceful in here. It's just- I was like, wow, it's really calm today. What the heck? It just hit me right now. I was like, huh, no wonder. That saves you a lot of headaches.
Imagine if I wasn't here, like, talking to you like that.
It was like the day that Corkill was sick and Tom was depressed. It was the greatest day of my life. I told her, I was like, well, Tom, depress you every day. It's great. She'll be quiet the whole period.